Hello, beautiful one. Can you solve this word problem involving age? I told you it comes with different packages. Now, this one is quite interesting, and I wouldn't want you to miss what you want to do now. So let's read the question together. We are told Karen is 6 years older than her sister Mitchell, and Mitchell is 2 years younger than the brother David. If the sum of their ages is this, how old is Mitchell? Now, you observe that in this question, we have three names now. Okay, we have Karen, we have Mitchell, and we have David. Now, how do you answer this? Like I told you, always identify whom the question is centering on. Now, let's go back to that question. You see that we have Karen is 6 years older than her sister Mitchell. That means from Karen, we get to Mitchell, okay? Then Mitchell is 2 years younger than the brother David. That means we have David here. See the three names. So if you want to answer this question, did you observe anything that the question is centering on David? Did you see it? If you know David's age, you can know Mitchell's age. And if you know Mitchell's age, you can know Karen's age. So if it is centering on David, what do you do? I'm teaching you now. So what we need to do is to answer this, we are going to go in a reversal form. So we can now say, let David's age be X. Okay, since the question centers on him. Now, because we want to go in a reversal form so that we get it easily, what do we do? Let's go back to the question. The question says from here, and Mitchell is 2 years younger. I told you when you hear younger, it means subtract. So we now have it that Mitchell, so we're going in a reversal form. You see, we have identified that David's age is now X. So our David's age has given us X. So what do we do to Mitchell? We said that Mitchell is going to be 2 years younger than the brother David. So what you do is David, which we said is already X. So we're going to have X for David. Then 2 years younger means you subtract 2 from X. This one gives you Mitchell's age. Now, having gotten Mitchell's age, we can now get Karen's age. Did you see how easy it is? Now, let's go back. The question says, Karen is 6 years older than her sister Mitchell. So what it means is that for Karen, what do we do? For Karen is going to be 6 years older. Older means to add. So you're going to add 6 to Mitchell to get Karen's. So what did we say Mitchell is? We have seen that Mitchell's age is X minus 2. So for Karen, it's going to be repeat this Mitchell's age, then we add 6 to it. So it's going to be this plus the 6 years older. Did you see how we got that? We went in a reversal form. So to bring this together, because the question went further to say, if the sum of their ages, we've been able to interpret the above statement representing it mathematically. Remember, we started from the least to the highest. So we also have it that the sum of their ages is 62. When you hear sum, it means to add. So we're going to add these 3 ages. For Karen, we are going to have X minus 2 plus 6, representing Karen's age, plus Mitchell's age is X minus 2, and David's age is X. So when you add these 3, it gives you 62. You have done the work. So let's just solve using our knowledge of linear equations. So we're going to collect like terms. So we have X plus this X, then plus this X. So this will give us negative 2 plus 6 minus 2 is equal to 62. So if you add this X, remember this is 1X, okay? It's going to give you 3X. Then this will give us 2. So we have plus 2 is equal to 62. So to get our X, remove this. You subtract 2 from both sides. And when you do that, let's complete it. at this part. We have 3x. If you subtract this is gone, this will give us 60. So to get x, divide by 3. When you do that, x is going to give us 20. But the question is, who has this x? We said earlier, x is for David. Now, if x is for David, the question is asking on Mitchell's age. And remember we said Mitchell is x minus 2. So we're going to have it as Mitchell's age is going to be x, which is 20 minus 2. And when you subtract this, it gives you 18 years. So Mitchell is 18 years old, and that is option C. And I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, share. I will see you in another class. Bye-bye.